integrating by partial fractions. Now, the form of the rational function is px plus q divided by x minus a times x minus b, where a is not equal to b. Now, this can be resolved as a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. The form of the partial fraction is a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. Now let us look into a problem of this type. Given 2x by x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now the denominator x squared plus 3x plus 2 can be factorized as x plus 2 times x plus 1. So this can be rewritten as 2x by x plus 2 into x plus 1. Now we'll have to integrate this fraction 2x by x plus 2 times x plus 1 dx. As we said earlier, this can be resolved as a by 2x by x plus 2 times x plus 1 can be resolved as, okay, let me write it this way, 2x by x plus 2 times x plus 1 is equal to a by x plus 2 plus b by x plus 1. We have to find out the values for a and b. So this gives you 2x is equal to a times x plus 1 plus b by b times x plus 2. To find out the values of a and b, let us equate the coefficient of like terms. So when we equate the terms for x, it gives you 2 is equal to a plus b. Let this be one equation. Now there is no constant term, so 0 is equal to a plus 2b. Let this be the second equation. We'll have to solve both the equations to find out a and b. So let us subtract this. That gives you a and a gets cancelled. So you get 2 is equal to minus b, or therefore b is equal to minus 2. If b is equal to minus 2, then a is equal to minus 2. When it comes this side, it becomes 2. So that is now substituting the value for 2 in the first equation, that gives you a is equal to 4. Therefore, the fraction can be now written as 4 by x plus 2 plus minus 2 by x plus 1. Now this can be integrated separately as integration of 4 by x plus 2 dx plus integration of minus 2 by x plus 1 dx, or this is nothing but 4 log mod of x plus 2 plus, or I can put it as minus 2 minus 2 log mod of x plus 1 plus c.